Picture this: a once neglected office space in the heart of Bratislava is magically reborn as a dynamic living space for artists, bursting with creativity and innovation. It's a story that captures the essence of turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, and it might just inspire you to rethink your own underutilized spaces. But here's where it gets exciting: the architects behind it didn't just renovate, they engineered a custom masterpiece that maximizes every inch, all while addressing a broader cultural shift. Read on to discover how this transformation not only redefines functionality but also sparks conversations about art, politics, and the future of urban living. Slovakian architecture firm Prekop Studio took on the challenge of converting a vacant office in Bratislava into a versatile apartment tailored for artists. This project involved reimagining a space on the 6th floor of the historic Kappa House, originally constructed in 1930 as the headquarters for an insurance company. Today, it's a flexible home where creativity can flourish. At the heart of the design is a custom-built steel framework that occupies roughly a third of the main area, crafted entirely by the studio to efficiently divide and organize the room. Beneath this sturdy structure lies a walk-in storage zone equipped with rails and shelves, cleverly separated from the rest of the space by see-through plastic strip curtains. This setup allows for easy access to belongings without cluttering the living area, making it a practical solution for artists who often juggle various materials and projects. The steel platform doubles as an elevated sleeping nook, featuring a comfortable double mattress reached by a ladder constructed from sleek steel tubing. To add both structural integrity and a playful flair, the steel elements are connected with hot pink accents, each piece meticulously 3D printed by the studio. Our client had a specific request for something pink, so we chose to highlight these crucial connectors in a vibrant pink hue, explained studio founder and designer Prekop in an interview with Dezeen. These components are vital to the entire build, and we wanted them to pop. Adjacent to the stainless steel frame stands a multi-purpose, stage-inspired module made from stainless steel plates and spruce timber, complete with cushioned upholstery. This clever creation is divided into 6 adjustable segments that can tilt as needed, transforming from a cozy guest bed into inviting lounge seating in a snap. It's a brilliant example of modular design that caters to the unpredictable needs of creative residents, offering flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Towards the end of the living zone, you'll find wooden benches and additional steel shelving, complemented by 2 striking blue wall-mounted radiators beside the window. These, along with the pink connectors, introduce bold color contrasts that energize the space. The flooring throughout is restored parquet wood, which beautifully juxtaposes the modern additions and the original concrete vaulted ceiling, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. Space efficiency was a key focus in the entrance hall, which serves dual purposes as both an entryway and a kitchen. Here, stainless steel shelving echoes the main area's design, while recycled plastic terrazzo is used for the kitchen units, countertop, and floors, even extending into the bathroom for the shower enclosure and pedestal sink. This material choice not only promotes sustainability but also ties the entire apartment together in a cohesive, eco-friendly manner. The bathroom's back wall features glass blocks, with a cluster of 6 blue ones in the center injecting a subtle splash of color into an otherwise monochrome palette. The overall aesthetic leans neutral and practical, intentionally designed to suit its role as a hub for local artists. It's a reminder that functionality can be both utilitarian and inspiring. But here's the part most people miss: the project's backstory is tied to real-world events. Initially, this was meant to be a home for a young couple, but with Slovakia's changing political landscape, they chose to relocate overseas, Prekop shared. As a result, we collaborated with the clients to repurpose it as an artist residency, supporting culture and emerging talent in Slovakia. This pivot highlights how adaptive reuse isn't just about buildings, it's about adapting to societal shifts, fostering community, and preserving artistic endeavors in uncertain times. Prekop launched his namesake studio in 2020, specializing in a wide range of projects from interior designs and installations to custom furniture and artistic partnerships. For instance, imagine taking an old mill and turning it into a sleek modern home, or converting a defunct heating plant into a vibrant mixed-use venue. That's the kind of innovative reuse seen in other Slovakia-based projects featured on Dezeen, Like RDTH Architecti's transformation of a historic mill into a contemporary residence, or DF Creative Group's revival of a Jerkovic heating plant in Bratislava. And this is the part that could spark a heated debate: is it right to prioritize artist residencies over private homes, especially when influenced by political turmoil? Some might argue it's a noble way to invest in culture and give back to the community, providing affordable spaces for creatives to thrive. Others could see it as controversial, questioning whether public or private funds should favor artists amid broader societal needs. What do you think? Does this shift in purpose represent progress, or is it a missed opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspectives on balancing art, politics, and real estate.